Have you ever wondered how new fields of study come into existence and gain recognition? Well, let's dive into an exciting journey that explores the world of modern inaugural surveying studies. In the ever-evolving world of academia, it's not enough to just stick to traditional subjects. There is a constant need for fresh perspectives, novel ideas, and groundbreaking research. That's where modern inaugural surveying studies come into play. This field is all about creating, understanding, and developing new areas of study. Imagine a world where we're not just confined to the studies of the past, but constantly pushing the boundaries of knowledge. That's exactly what these studies aim to do. They are the torchbearers of innovation in academia, paving the way for new disciplines that challenge our understanding of the world. Modern inaugural surveying studies aren't just about creating new fields of study, though. They're also about understanding these fields in depth. By surveying the landscape of these new disciplines, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of their potential, their limitations, and their impact on the world. And the development? Well, that's where things get really interesting. Modern inaugural surveying studies are about nurturing these new fields, helping them grow and evolve, and ensuring they're recognized and respected in the academic community. The importance of these studies can't be overstated. They're shaping the future of academia and research, allowing us to explore uncharted territories of knowledge. They're helping us to not only understand the world better, but also to create a better world through innovative research and findings. So you see, modern inaugural surveying studies aren't just a passing trend, they're a new way of approaching academia. A revolutionary method of expanding our horizons, and a key tool in pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can learn. Now that you grasp the concept of modern inaugural surveying studies, you might be curious about the process involved. But hold your horses, we'll dive into that in the next segment. Stay tuned. You might ask, how does one conduct a modern inaugural surveying study? Well, let's dive right into the process. The first step in conducting these studies is formulating a hypothesis or posing a question about a potential field of study. It's like setting the stage for a grand performance. This question or hypothesis is the driving force that propels the study forward. It's the seed from which all future research will sprout. Once the question or hypothesis is set, it's time for rigorous research and data collection. This is the heart of the study, where we roll up our sleeves and dig in. We trawl through existing literature, conduct experiments, and collect data. These tasks can sometimes feel like a wild goose chase, but they're crucial for gaining a comprehensive understanding of the subject at hand. Now here's where things get interesting. After the data has been gathered, it's time to analyze it. This step involves a lot of number crunching and pattern spotting. We're trying to see if the data supports our hypothesis or answers our question. If it does, great. If it doesn't, that's okay too. Either way, we learn something new, but we're not done just yet. The next step is peer review and validation, a crucial component of any inaugural surveying study. This is where other experts in the same field critically assess our study. They scrutinize our methods, our data, our analysis, and our conclusions. This process ensures that our study is sound, reliable, and valid. It's like a quality control check. Finally, if our study makes it past the peer review stage, it's ready to be shared with the world. This could be through a scientific journal, a conference presentation, or even a YouTube video like this one. The ultimate goal is to add to the collective knowledge of humanity, pushing the boundaries of what we know and understand. Understanding the process is one thing, but knowing why these studies matter is equally important. So stick around as we delve into the significance of modern inaugural surveying studies in our next scene. Why should we care about modern inaugural surveying studies? A question that may echo in your mind as we delve deeper into this fascinating field. Modern inaugural surveying studies play a critical role in advancing knowledge and understanding. By exploring uncharted territories, these studies pave the way for breakthroughs in various fields. Whether it's in medicine, technology, social sciences, or any other discipline, these studies hold the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. Imagine a world where diseases that were once thought incurable are now treatable because a modern inaugural surveying study opened the doors to a new line of research. Or consider how our understanding of the universe could expand if a study led to the discovery of previously unknown celestial bodies. The possibilities are as vast as the fields these studies encompass. But these studies do more than just contribute to the pool of knowledge. They also have a profound impact on society. By generating new insights, they can influence policymaking, shape public opinion, and even drive social change. They can challenge existing beliefs and norms, prompting us to rethink our perspectives and approach issues with a fresh lens. However, as with all research, modern inaugural surveying studies come with their own set of challenges. Ensuring accuracy and validity of results, addressing potential bias, and maintaining ethical standards are all crucial considerations. Researchers must navigate these complexities carefully to ensure their studies contribute positively to their respective fields. Moreover, these studies can sometimes provoke ethical debates. For instance, should we explore certain areas at the risk of potentially harmful consequences, or how do we balance the pursuit of knowledge with respect for cultural sensitivities? These are important questions that need to be addressed to guide the direction of these studies. In conclusion, the importance of modern inaugural surveying studies cannot be overstated. They are the stepping stones that lead us to new frontiers of knowledge and understanding. They challenge us, they inspire us, and they drive us forward in our quest for progress. Modern inaugural surveying studies are not just about creating new fields of study, but about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. So, what have we learned about modern inaugural surveying studies? Our journey into this fascinating field has taken us through its intricate concept, the meticulous process, and the undeniable importance this discipline carries. We've discovered that at its core, modern inaugural surveying studies is a pioneering field, constantly pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. It represents the first steps into a new area of exploration, laying the groundwork for future discoveries. We've also delved into the process, a well-structured sequence of observation, measurement, and analysis. This methodical approach ensures accuracy and reliability in results, serving as the foundation for further research and development. Moreover, we've highlighted the significance of these studies. They are not just academic exercises, but vital tools that drive innovation and progress in various sectors, from construction and engineering to archaeology and environmental science. Remember, every new field of study starts with a question, a hypothesis, and the courage to explore the unknown. That's the essence of modern inaugural surveying studies.